Norway is the most beautiful country in Northern Europe. The land of the fjords and northern lights attracts over 8 million tourists every year, and in this video we will visit its best attractions. Oslo is the capital and largest city of Norway. The city lies in southern part of the country by the Oslo Fjord and is surrounded by hills and forests. Oslo was originally founded in the year 1040. You can learn about its history in many museums like the Viking Ship Museum and the Norwegian Museum of Cultural History. The city is compact and easy to explore on foot. You can walk along the harbour, visit museums and enjoy the impressive street art. The Royal Palace is where the King and Queen of Norway live. You can take a guided tour or simply admire the building and its beautiful park. Vigeland Park is famous for its sculptures created by artist Gustav Vigeland, and the Opera House is a masterpiece of modern architecture. You can even walk on its roof and the view of the city is breathtaking. Akershus Fortress is a historic castle that has guarded the city for centuries. You can explore its halls and dungeons and enjoy the panoramic view of Oslo. The Nobel Peace Prize is awarded in Oslo every year. You can visit the Nobel Peace Center to learn about the laureates and their work. Norwegians love skiing, and the Holmenkollen ski jump hill is an iconic place. You can take an elevator to the top for a fantastic view or even try ziplining. Oslo is the most expensive city in the world. Things like food, housing, and transportation can cost more there compared to some other places. It's important to plan your budget carefully if you're about to visit Oslo. The stunning Atlantic Ocean Road connects Averøy to the mainland by spanning a series of small islands and islets through 8 bridges, totaling an impressive 8,300 meters in length. It was opened to the public in 1989, and the best part, it's toll-free. This scenic road holds the prestigious title of National Tourist Route, offering a seamless journey between Bud and Kristiansund. As you travel along, you'll be treated to a delightful mix of coastal beauty, culture, and history. The Atlantic Road showcases its fascinating contrasts, whether you choose to cruise on a peaceful, sunlit summer day or brave the turbulent waves during a northwest storm. The memories you make on the Atlantic Road will stay with you forever. Further along the route lies Høyholmen, easily accessible through boat trips during the summer. For adventurers, the Strømsholmen Sea Sports Center awaits, offering exciting activities like fishing trips, snorkeling with seals, or thrilling rib safaris. And if you're looking for a balance of peacefulness and excitement, several accommodation options in Averøy or Hustadvika offer guided fishing trips with experienced skippers, allowing you to create lasting memories amidst the wonders of the Atlantic Ocean. Ålesund is a special place in Norway. The town is located in the Møre og Romsdal region and is situated on a group of islands along the coast. So you can imagine it has some incredible views of the sea and the surrounding nature. The city is famous for its unique architecture. Most of the buildings have a special style called Art Nouveau. They are colorful and have detailed designs. In 1904, a huge fire destroyed most of the city, but Ålesund rose from the ashes with its beautiful Art Nouveau style. You can take a walk in the city center and see these beautiful buildings up close. The Axla viewpoint offers a fantastic view of the city and the surrounding islands. It's a great spot to take photos. If you like marine life, you'll love the Atlantic Sea Park, where you can see fish, seals, and penguins. And if you're into music, you might want to visit the Ålesund Jazz Festival, which is a pretty big deal in the region. Ålesund's location by the sea means you can have some water fun. You should try fishing, kayaking, or hop on a boat tour to explore the stunning fjords. Fjords are geological formations created through a combination of glacial activity and the rising sea levels at the end of the last ice age. Norway is famous for its 1,700 fjords, and Sognefjord is the grandest of them all. From the coastal community of Skjolden, Sognefjord extends 204 kilometers inland and splits off into many smaller inlets and fjords. Big cruise ships often visit Sognefjord, bringing people from all over the world to admire its breathtaking beauty. Sognefjord is also a place of numerous waterfalls that tumble down from the cliffs into the fjord. Among these, the Figerfossen waterfall is a must-see. It plunges from a height of 220 meters, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. The easiest way to reach Sognefjord is by flying into Bergen, and from there you can take a train or drive to the fjord. The Flom Railway is often called one of the most beautiful train journeys in the world, and it's a gateway to Sognefjord's beauty. This railway takes you from the village of Flom to Myrdal, offering incredible views of the fjord. Located 350 kilometers north of the Arctic Circle, Tromsø holds a reputation as a center for Arctic expeditions since the mid-1800s. Originally established in the 13th century as a fishing village, the local fishing industry has remained a vital part of its heritage. Today, Tromsø stands as one of Norway's major fishing ports and is home to the world's northernmost university. The majority of the city, including the downtown area and the airport, is located on Tromsøya Island. Tromsø's northern location makes it a prime spot for witnessing the mesmerizing northern lights, attracting visitors from around the world. Among its notable attractions, Polaria stands out as the world's most northerly aquarium, and the Polar Museum offers intriguing exhibits on Arctic exploration. Surprisingly, located in this frozen northern realm, the Tromsø Arctic Alpine Botanic Garden flourishes with a variety of flowering plants. The summer season graces Tromsø with the midnight sun and 24-hour daylight, and provides excellent opportunities for hiking and fjord exploration, even in the late hours. Jotunheimen is a large mountainous area located in the southern part of Norway, within the larger region of Oppland and Innlandet. It's a part of the Scandinavian mountains and is famous for its towering peaks, expansive plateaus, and numerous glaciers. This area, also known as Home of the Giants, covers around 3,500 square kilometers, making it the largest national park in Norway. The landscape is dominated by towering mountain peaks, some of which reach heights of over 2,000 meters. Galdhøpiggen, standing at 2,469 meters above sea level, is not only the highest peak in Jotunheimen, but also the highest in all of northern Europe. Climbing to its summit is a popular adventure for hikers and mountaineers. One of the most famous hiking trails in Jotunheimen is the Besseggen Ridge hike. It's a 17-kilometer journey that takes you along a narrow, dramatic ridge with crystal-clear lakes on either side. For the more adventurous, Jotunheimen offers excellent ice climbing opportunities. Cascading frozen waterfalls and ice-covered cliffs challenge even experienced climbers. Located on the southwestern coast of Norway, Bergen is often called the gateway to the fjords. It was founded in 1070 and was the country's capital until 1299. The city lies among 7 mountains. The most famous of these mountains is Mount Fløyen, which can be reached by a funicular railway. Bryggen is a famous historic area in Bergen. These colorful wooden houses by the waterfront have been standing since the 18th century. They're a UNESCO World Heritage Site and provide a look into Bergen's Hanseatic past. The Bergen Fish Market is the best fish market in Norway and a place where you can find all kinds of fresh seafood, from salmon to shrimp and everything in between. Bergen is known for its frequent rainfall, and the rainy days add to the city's charm. If you visit Bergen in the winter, you might be lucky enough to witness the mesmerizing northern lights on clear, cold nights. Throughout the year, you can find various festivals and events. The Bergen International Festival is a highlight, but there's also the Bergen Food Festival and the Bergen International Film Festival, a treat for movie lovers. Preikestolen, also known as the Pulpit Rock, stands as one of Norway's top tourist spots, capturing the lenses of countless cameras. Located close to Stavanger, reaching this iconic site involves a ferry and bus ride, followed by a 2-hour uphill hike. Once you conquer the trail and stand on the nearly flat peak, towering more than 600 meters above the water, a breathtaking view of Lysefjord awaits. The journey kicks off with an 8-kilometer hike from Preikestolen Fjellstu, the mountain lodge. Keep in mind that this hike is rated as moderately difficult, so prior experience in hiking would be beneficial. If you prefer some guidance, daily guided tours are available from April to October. Another great way to visit the cliff is by joining a sightseeing boat on the fjord. Preikestolen pulls in a significant crowd, with over 300,000 tourists making the pilgrimage to this famous rock formation each year. Trondheim is located in the central part of Norway on the southern shore of the Trondheimsfjorden, which is one of Norway's longest fjords. Trondheim is the third largest city in Norway and serves as the administrative centre of Trøndelag County. The city was Norway's capital during the Viking Age and for much of the Middle Ages. The most recognizable landmark here is the Nidaros Cathedral, the northernmost medieval cathedral in the world. But Trondheim isn't just about its history. The city is home to the Norwegian University of Science and Technology, a leading institution in Norway. The Trondheim Kunstmuseum, on the other hand, showcases contemporary and classical art. Bymarka, a large forested area just a short tram ride from the city centre, offers a large network of hiking and cross-country skiing trails. The view from the Grøkallen mountain is especially rewarding, with a panoramic view of the city and the fjord. The Lofoten Islands are a true hidden treasure in the Arctic Circle. Even though they're pretty far north, the weather is milder than you might expect, thanks to the warm Gulf Stream. The first thing you'll notice when you visit the Lofoten Islands is the incredible scenery. The islands are filled with rocky mountains and charming fishing villages. Austvågøy is the biggest island in the Lofoten archipelago, and Svolvær is its largest town, known for its fishing history and art galleries. The island of Gimsøy has a beautiful beach where you can experience the midnight sun during the summer months. The island of Moskenesøya, on the other hand, is known for its hiking trails. The village of Røyne is considered one of the most beautiful in the world. You can reach the Lofoten Islands by ferry, plane, or car. The most common entry point is via Bodø, a city on the mainland. From there, you can take a ferry or fly to the islands. The road trip around the islands is a popular adventure. The scenic drives take you through tunnels, bridges, and winding roads that lead to some of the most incredible viewpoints in Norway. Stavanger is located on the southwestern coast of Norway, and it's the fourth largest city in the country. The city was founded in the 12th century, and it has grown under Viking influence. One of the most famous historical sites in Stavanger is the Stavanger Cathedral, which also dates back to the 12th century. The city's old town, known as Gamle Stavanger, is another must-visit spot. It's a charming area with wooden houses from the 18th century. Stavanger is often called the gateway to the fjords and is a perfect starting point for exploring the stunning Norwegian fjords. Stavanger is a city that knows how to celebrate. The Gladmat Festival, for example, is one of Norway's largest food festivals. The city is also home to numerous art galleries and museums, including the Stavanger Art Museum and the Norwegian Petroleum Museum. Remember to pack for the variable weather, as even in the summer you might experience some rain in Stavanger, so it's a good idea to have waterproof clothing on hand. Geiranger Fjord, an extension of a broader fjord network stretching to Ålesund, captivates with its 15-kilometer expanse and a depth of 260 meters. The enclosing mountains reach heights of 1,700 meters above the ocean. The beautiful slopes once hosted mountain farms, now abandoned but meticulously restored, serving as significant cultural relics, unveiling the region's indigenous lifestyle. Geiranger, nestled at the fjord's head, is a premier Norwegian tourist hub. Though its population peaks at a modest 250, the village is full of activity, particularly during the busy summer months. Setting sail from here to Skagahola and going on an upward hike to Skagaflow, the most famous farm, offers an incredible panorama of the fjord and its many waterfalls. Amongst them, the Seven Sisters waterfall stands as a prominent natural spectacle. Geiranger Fjord, in harmony with Nærøyfjorden, stands proudly on UNESCO's prestigious World Heritage List, representing the beauty of Western Norwegian fjord landscapes. The route from Ålesund to Geiranger remains accessible year-round, either by road or ferry, following the famous Norwegian scenic route Geiranger Trollstigen. What's your favorite place in Norway? Let us know in the comments. If you loved this video, hit the like button and subscribe to help our channel reach a wider audience.